Yan ang siyang buong sila. Ngayon pag-uusapan natin yung simple machine, our lesson 6. So, when we say simple machine, it is any device that makes work easier and faster by reducing the effort or force used in doing work. Pinagagaan niya yung trabaho natin. Okay? Yun yung simple machine. So, etong simple machine ay hindi siya gumagamit ng yung pinakamakina, no? Na kagaya ng orasan or ng sasakyan. So, kaya tinawag siyang simple machine. Okay? So, meron tayong screw, wheel and axle, inclined plane, wedge, lever, and pulley. So, isin natin, ang ibig sabihin ng lever. When we say lever, it is a simple machine that has a rigid or stiff structure called bar that rotates around the fixed point called the fulcrum. Ito yung pinakagitna. Okay? Example nito is gunting. I have here a lever. Yan. So, yung gitna na yan, tinatawag natin fulcrum. Nasa gitna siya. Okay? Nasa gitna siya. So, fulcrum ang tawag natin dyan. So, meron tayong parts of the lever. We have the load, the fulcrum, gitna, and the effort. So, itong gunting na to, this is the effort. Ito, effort yan. This is the fulcrum, this is the resistance. Okay? So, meron tayong tatawag na first class lever. Pag sinabi natin yung first class lever or RFE, RFE, resistance, fulcrum, effort. O, balik rin natin, effort, fulcrum, resistance. So, ibig sabihin ng RFE. Ibig sabihin yung fulcrum nasa dulo, ay nasa gitna. Okay. Yan, example niyan, scissors, we have the crowbar, the pliers, and the seesaw. Kung mapapansin natin, yung scissors, pliers, and seesaw, the scissors, pliers, and seesaw is the first class lever kasi nasa gitna yung kanyang fulcrum. Crucible tongs, diba, card jack, we have the vice grip, and the hammer. Yung hammer, pansinin nyo, nasa dulo yung kanyang fulcrum. We have the FRE o ERF. So, ang fulcrum naman ay nasa unahan or nasa dulo. Okay, yun yung second class. Unahan or nasa dulo. Ayan, example niyan, nail clipper or nail cutter. Kung napapansin natin yung fulcrum niyan ay sa dulo. Staple or stapler, bottle opener, and wheelbarrow. So, the third class is the resistance, effort, and fulcrum. Yung fulcrum naman ay nasa dulo din. So, the fulcrum is at the end with the effort in the middle. Ayan, shovel, broom, fishing rod, mop. We have the rake or kalaykay, tongs, pansipit, staple remover, tweezers. Next one is we have the inclined plane. Pangalawa natin, we have the surface that is higher on one end. It is used to lift every object with relatively little effort. So, ginagamit ito sa mga ospital, emergency room. Kunwari, yung parang ramp, no? Para siyang hagdan, pero pa-slide siya. Pa-slide. We have the stairs, the ramp, the slide, steep road. Okay? Ginagamit din yan sa paglo-load ng mga, alam mo yung mga tawag doon, gasoline, di ba? So, ang hirap yung ibaba nun, no? So, may gumagamit tayong ramp. At saka yung mga motorsiklo na pinaparada or pinapano sa higher surface, gumagamit to. It's either, ang tawag doon, plywood, no? Plywood. Ginagamit natin yan. Wedge. We have the two inclined planes joined back to back. Ibig sabihin, back to back daw. It is used to split things or cut things into pieces. Matatalim. Broken glasses, axe, knives, blade, cutter. Basta anything na matalim. Even yung ating koko. Diba? Or ngipin. We call it a wedge. Okay? Door stopper, zipper, nail, saw. Screw. Para siyang inclined plane wrapped around the shaft or cylinder. It is used to lift heavy weights to fasten things together and bore holes through some materials. Example yan, drill, wine, corkscrew, faucet, hose, iba yung takip ng ballpen, yung dulo, Ano pa ba? Tornilyo, yan, yung bulb. Diba? Yung bombilya. No? Metal cap, jar lid, bolt, pulley, is a wheel and axle with a groove around the outside. It lifts a load to a higher place without exerting too much effort. Ginagamit to sa mga, example, yung mga semento, no? Tapos sa semento, iaakit nila yung semento nila. Instead of using hagdanan, gumagamit sila ng pulley. No? Meron tayong fixed pulley. Pag sinabi natin fixed pulley, it does not change the amount of force applied. It does not change the direction of the force. Walang nagbabago. Okay? Walang nagbabago. Pag movable pulley, it increases the amount of force applied. Dinadagdagan natin ng puwersa. It does not change the direction of the force. Plug, block, and tackle naman, kabalik na naman yan, made up of fixed and movable pulleys pareho. Pwedeng dagdagan ng puwersa, pwedeng bawasan, tas iiba rin yung direction. Okay? Parang ano to, yung mga slot machine, yung mga machine, yung gumaganong-ganon, yun, pulley. Flag pole, weight machine, well, door bridges, construction cranes, zipline pulley, elevators, pulley din yan. Center pin belt in car, wheel and axle, made of wheel rigidly attached to the rod called axle. Kaya wheel and axle. So parang kadena, di ba? Di naman gagana yung gulong kung walang axle. Doorknob, electric fan, pizza cutter, office chair, bisikleta, Ferris wheel, analog clock, wheel and axle din yan, egg beater, yan. So that's it. So ito, basahin nyo na lang to. Ano lang yan, self-explanatory. So bukas we have a quiz. We have a quiz about simple machine. That's it. Laging tandaan na mas may napaghanda ng kinabukasan habang nasa kasalukuyan. Ahon, laban, sulong. Paalam.